The city that works is not working too well when it comes to policing. The head of the Portland Police Association says it's simple math.
The police force was larger, 20 years ago than it is today, with about 170,000 fewer residents of the city of Portland.
Daryl Turner is a former officer who leads the police union during difficult times. Gun violence is up, including homicides like the latest over the weekend at McCoy Park in North Portland.
People who are victims of violent crime having to wait 8 minutes for a response from a police officer. That is unacceptable, and that is not the police officer's fault. That is the fault of not having the proper staffing that we need to support a city and a metro area that we need to support.
Turner says the city currently has 916 allocated sworn positions, from the newest recruits to the chief of police. 794 are currently filled, with 59 in training. The police union released what it calls a 5-year vision for public safety and policing. It calls for a lot more cops. The PPA suggests the city hire 840 additional officers over the next 5 years, doubling the force. That would include rehiring 50 recently retired officers in each of the next 2 years, and lobbying the state to allow Portland to set up its own police academy to get large numbers of recruits trained and on the job.
We've been running on fumes for many years. So what we proposed were several options to be able to enhance the patrol function of our organization for the next few years, as well as building up with new officers coming in to the fold over the next 5 years.
The vision comes during a time of police downsizing. City leaders have cut millions from the PPB budget, and there are vocal critics who don't think more officers are the answer. Unite Oregon is one such group, which calls for more defunding. Its deputy director wrote, "This is clearly a bargaining tactic, and we as residents of Portland should ask ourselves, is the solution to the problems we are facing to throw more money at PPB, or is it to actually fund community-centered solutions like behavioral health and affordable housing?"
It is not greed. It is not trying to leverage contract negotiations.
The police union is bargaining for a new contract right now, but Turner says that's not what this is about. But we know there are competing interests for city money, including to expand the Portland Street Response, which sends paramedics and mental health workers to certain nonviolent crisis calls. A recent PSU study found that would be a good move. We also reached out to Mayor Ted Wheeler's office. He is the police commissioner. A spokesperson said they wouldn't be making a statement today, but that the mayor will lay out his plan for PPB staffing in about a week. Tim Gordon, KGW News.